So this is a boat that came in for a trim issue. So we got the trim fixed. And then he said he had an active alarm. And there's another video about his alarm. But we got it started, but we were running it only on carburetor cleaner. It won't do anything other than just on carburetor cleaner. He's got a quarter of a tank of gas. So we were going through the fuel delivery system, and that is coming out of his fuel water separator. And I don't know whether you can see it or not. Those are actually holes that are in his fuel water separator. Yeah, you can see those. It's just rusty with holes in it. And the inside's rusty, and there's no gas in there. So the gas from the tank has to go through there before it gets to the carburetor. I don't know how it ran. I just don't understand how it could have run just a couple of weeks ago, because there's been no... That's dry. And if you've got holes in this, you can't suck gas from the tank, because it'll be sucking air through there instead of sucking gas out of the tank. It's easier to suck air through there than the other way around.